Hi dear students, in this video I'm going to explain how to round the decimal numbers. You know, when you write something in calculator, when you multiply or when you divide something in calculator, sometimes it's giving 7 or 8 digits, decimal digit number, and of course you need to round this number up. Somehow you need to find that one, and here is the method how to make that one. And here we are looking for 2 decimal places. So this number's 4.927, this is 3 decimal place number, and I'm going to make this one 2 decimal place. And we are going to be careful about, while we are doing this one, we are going to be careful about the 3rd decimal place. With respect to 3rd decimal place, we are going to round up the number, the 2nd decimal place, or not. The rule for that one, if the digit which you are going to round is 5 or greater than 5, you round up the digit in the 2nd decimal place. So 1 in front of it, this is the 3rd one, the in front of it 2nd one, so you are going to round this one up. As you see here in the example, this number is 7, so which is greater than 5. That's why when you are rounding up this 4.927, you are going to round like this, 4.9 instead of 2, you are writing, this gives here 1 up, and this is going to be 4.93. And the second one, 4.925, 925 actually, and of course you can round up this one because this is the rule, 5 or greater than 5, so it is 5. You can round up this one, so you can write like this, 4.93. So as you see here it is. And the last one, in this one, we are going to 4.924. This number is less than 5, so it stays same. So you are not going to round up this number 2. You are going to leave it like that, and only you are going to cancel the 4, and you are going to write the 4.9 and 2. Okay, run these numbers. Here there are some exercises. Let's solve them. Run these numbers to given. Run these numbers to given number of decimal place. So I'm going to run this number, and the aim here, it's going to be, I'm going to make this one 1 decimal place. It's going to be like this, 23.9. So I'm going to do like this, like in the exercise, 95.6. So I'm going to round up from here, and I'm checking the number here, which is equal to 5. When I round up this one, it's going to be 10, and it's going to be 24.0. The answer, it's going to be 24.0, because this is 9. When you round up this one, 24.0, it should be. Okay, when I do this one for 2 decimal places, for 0.9762, here for 2 decimal place, here this 1 decimal place, here it is 2 decimal place. So the previous number, which is equal to 6, so when you round up this one, it's going to be equal to 4.98. okay, 23 point, the C1 I'm solving here, 23.5804. We are going to round up this number to 3 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3 decimal places. I'm going to put this sign here, and I'm going to decide with respect to a number on the right side. Am I going to round up this one? No, because the number is less than 5, because the rule it says 5 or greater than 5. That's why this number stays same. I mean 3 decimal digits stays same. It becomes 23.580 going to be when you round up. Okay, the last one is the here 8.25 it's going to be, and it is asking for 3 decimal place, so I'm going to divide it like this. This is the 3rd decimal place. With respect to that one, this number is 5 and which is 5 or greater than 5. So you may round up this number, and it's going to be 8.033. We can round the numbers with respect to significant figures. What is significant figure? This is first time maybe for you. And we are going to count the digits here like as a significant figure. But there is one rule for that one. Significant figures are counted from the first non-zero digit. So for decimal number 342.014, the significant figure is 3, then 4, then 2, and this is the third significant figure, fourth significant figure, and it's going to continue. But for the number, that's why we need to be careful. Significant figures are counted from the first non-zero digit. So when you have the 0.0345, the first significant figure, non-zero number, which is equal to 3, and this is your first significant figure, it's going to be. Okay, I said we may round with respect to significant figures also. So in this question or in this sample, it says that round them to significant figures. So if you are going to round to significant figure, you should cut from the second significant figure, and with respect to rounding the decimal numbers with decimal places, here on the right side, the number, if it is greater than 5, like in the previous part, if it is greater than 5, you are going to round up. If it is not, you are going to leave it like that. So this number is greater than 5, so it's going to be 70, instead of 72, I'm going to write 73. But there is one important note here also. You can round up you can round up integers also. This is not decimal number, so with respect to that one, this number should be 730. Okay, this part is important, and I'm going to show you here also that one, and let's see how we are going to solve the questions. Okay, the second one is 5.044, and we want two significant figure. So 1, 2, second significant figure. After that one, we are going to cut. We are going to check the number before the significant, after the significant figure, second significant figure. You see here, this is 4, so you cannot round up this one, and you are going to leave 5.0. Okay, the number is written like this. Since there is a decimal number, you can cut that part here, but in integers you cannot do that one, and I'm going to show on the worked examples. Okay, 0.0002249. Here the significant figure starts with 2, that's why 24 to second significant figure. Before then 24 we have here, after 24 we have 9, which is greater than 5, so you are going to round up 4, which is going to be 25. So when you round up with respect to significant figures, 0.00025 it's going to be. Okay, we are going to solve these exercises by ourselves. 789, if we round up this number, it's going to be like 7, 8, 9, two significant figures. So this is going to be the third one, and this number is bigger than 5. So I'm going to round up this one. This is going to be 79. But I explain you, this is not decimal number. So you should add you should round up this one to 10, and it's going to be equal to 790. Okay, the next one is 6.0524, 6.0. After this one, we are going to write 24. Okay, this number is 5, so you can round up 1, and it becomes 6.1. Okay, the last one, two significant figures. This is not the last one, this is the third one, and 0, 2, 5. This is the place for the we are going to write with respect to this line the significant figures. This is less than 5, that's why you are not going to round up this one, and it's going to be equal to 0.0025. 5 because this number is less than 5. Okay, the last one, the significant figures are after the non-zero digit. It starts as it was here, then the number I'm going to 0.60, it's going to be then 3. Okay, as you see here, the number after the line is this line I'm talking about. This line is less than 5. That's why this is going to stay same also. It's going to be 0.60.